There's a specific accent taking over LinkedIn and Twitter, and you probably already know it. It's that AI accent. It's polite, it's enthusiastic, and it's becoming invisible. If your brand is starting to sound like that, you're not really building an audience, you're going to be building a graveyard. Here's a technical reason for why this is happening, and how to fix it with a trained specialist when you're using AI. So when you use raw ChatGPT, you have to remember one thing. It's pretty much read everything on the internet. Now that sounds like a good thing, but it could actually end up being a disaster. So think about it. Grant Cardone says something like, be aggressive, close that deal, money's everything. Gary Vee says, be patient, give value, legacy is everything. These are opposites. So when you ask a generic AI to write a post, it's going to put Grant and Gary in a blender and hit the blend button, and it's going to try to average everything out, different schools of thought, and the result is a muddy mess that stands for nothing and isn't consistent. So to beat that average, we build specialized bots and we call ours Savi. Savi doesn't guess. Savi follows a strict diet of curated methodologies. We don't just prompt, we research, select, and regularly update her with the latest proven tactics out there. So input number one is that chosen methodology. It's the brain. We're gonna say, ignore the internet, only use method X. Maybe for you, we load the challenger sale logic, or maybe we load the Justin Welsh solopreneur style. And when the algorithm changes, like LinkedIn did a few weeks ago, we update the instructions, so you don't have to. The second input is the brand blueprint, which is the soul. We upload your brand's DNA, we give it the negative constraints, the words they should never use, we give it the brand voice, the tone profile, whether you're helpful, funny, corporate, confident, arrogant, whatever. And here's the difference between the blender and the specialist. A generic AI prompt writing a LinkedIn post about sales could give you something like, sales is the lifeblood of business. Embrace the hustle and unlock your synergy to close deals. It's a mix of different stuff. Now let's try that again with a trained bot. Here's what we get. Stop trying to close everything. Start trying to help someone. If your product doesn't solve a real pain, no amount of aggression will fix your pipeline. So you see there, it picked a lane, it used a framework, and it sounds authentic and real. You can't prompt your way out of being average. When you're using AI, you have to train it. So don't let your AI play that methodology roulette. Build a bot or use a bot that knows exactly what it's doing on a framework you believe in. This is Brains, Bots, and Business. We'll catch you on the next one.